Yo, what's up everyone? How's everyone doing? Welcome back to the channel. It's the Top Velocity. In this video, you will see me deleting my catalytic converter from my 2013 Suzuki GSXR 1000. So stay tuned. Alright guys, I'm going to attempt to cut this catalytic converter piece off. As you can see, it's one piece where the elbow is. I'm gonna cut right on this ridge right here. You can see it. Shouldn't be too bad of a cut. Let's see how it comes out. Let's do it. Right through it, baby, right through it. And I tried to cut right on that angle there. So I'm gonna clean it up, get rid of all this stuff. I see the plug right now. For anyone that has the GSXR 1000s, 2012 to I think 2016. This is where your catalytic converter is. You could see that, you can see the packing in there, right there. See the packing? I could just take that out. There you go, that's your catalytic converter plug. Alright guys, so you see the valve is open now, the set valve. So I can now remove the set valve cables. So what I did to keep this open was I turned the ignition on and then I waited till it got to that place. It usually takes like 3 seconds. And then turn the ignition off and it stays open. If you let it run through the cycle, it's gonna be like a third closed at the end of it. To remove the set valve cable and pulley system, I had to lift up the left side fairing, and I'm going to remove these bolts right here. 1, 2, and 3. And disconnect the cables down there. And it should remain open. Okay, so I got it disconnected. And this little boot here is on there. And it's connected to this valve plug. So what I had to buy was a servo delete, and I got this one from our Visitech Suzy. So I'm gonna unplug that right there and attach my servo delete on there so I don't get an FI or F1. Guys, so look what I did. Took the whole exhaust off. That's where I cut it at. I just got really tired of trying to fit the pipes. Man, I'm sick of this already. This don't work. This don't fit. This don't fit. This don't fit. So I ordered a full exhaust. That should be here next week. It's an M4. Oh man, this is what I've been waiting for. Oh boy. It's here. Let's get it. There it is. Let's unbox this. Let's see what we got. It's the muffler. Alright, got the middle pipes. This is from 4 to 1. Got some hardware. Packing. And we have the header pipes and the mid pipe. Looking good, looking good. All right, here's the muffler, carbon fiber, M4. And we just installed the brand new headers for the M4. So let's get it. We're about to do the mid pipe and throw the muffler on. We have the M4 full exhaust on the 2013 Suzuki GSXR 1000. It wasn't that hard to put on. Have to say, M4 did a pretty good job manufacturing this product. It is the MC 36 edition Street Slayer. All right, everyone. The M4 is installed and we're about to do a cold start. Man.